Hello everyone, my name is Lina, which is short for Lina Mandla, and today I will be teaching you Siswati. Now let me say that in Siswati. Sanibonani nonke, libito lami ngu Lina. Lamuhla ngitobe nginifundzisa Siswati. In today's lesson, I will be teaching you how to count in Siswati. Counting in Siswati is kubala. Let's get started. Kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kusihlanu, kusithupha, kusikhombisa, kusiphohlongo, kuyimfica, kulishumi. Let's do that one more time. Say it with me. Kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kusihlanu, kusithupha, kusikhombisa, kusiphohlongo, kuyimfica, kulishumi. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you could be really good at counting in Siswati. And that is all for today. I am Lina, and thanks for watching.